What's up guys, I'm Koryna and in today's video I'm going to be reviewing this product, My Vital C. It comes in this packaging or this new packaging which is basically plastic tubes, and you have a month supply here, and this is a daily dose. My Vital C, which is ESS 60 in a base of extra virgin olive oil. This product has some amazing claims. It says to be a powerful antioxidant and a powerful anti-inflammatory. It's based on Nobel Prize winning chemistry, and it says that in 2012, studies showed that test subjects given our formulation lived 90% longer than the control group. Wow. Also, it says that it has been proven to both increase the lifespan and inhibit tumor growth in test subjects. That is an amazing claim. If it inhibits tumor growth, like how many people struggle with that today? Well, if you want to live healthy and live longer, you better check this out. This is an old packaging. It comes with this measuring cap. This is what it looks like. Even though it's in a base of olive oil, it has this color because it contains this ESS 60. And now I'm going to talk about what the product claims to be doing, and I will also try this product for I think about 3 months or so, because I have received a 3-month supply, so why not give this a try longer, and then I'm gonna tell you guys what I think this has helped me with or not. ESS 60 olive oil supports lifespan, so basically doubles the lifespan. This is what they claim. It helps with sleeping better, so better sleep, increased energy, mental acuity, cardiovascular health, eye health, and joint health. So basically if you have joint pain, arthritis, this is supposed to help with that. It helps with recovery from exercise, increased libido, and that's pretty much what they say this does. It has some pretty amazing claims, and we'll see if they're true or not. I'll see you guys in about 3 months or so. What's up guys, I'm back and I'm here to talk about the health benefits that I think I have received from My Vital C. So I can definitely tell you that I have slept better, and I've been able to be more focused, so it has really increased my mental acuity. I definitely had a lot more energy. I gave it to my cat and I felt like she had a lot more energy. They have a pet formula. If you struggle with joint pain like I do, and you might think that I don't, but I do, this is also a good option for you, because I had a lot more pain in my knees and my feet and my back and this finger here, this joint. So it really helped me with that too. This is my review. I love this product, and if you want to check it out, you can go to their website at www.myvitalc.com and check it out. Bye guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button and also hit the notification bell to be notified every single time I upload a new video. Love you guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.